Hello guys, welcome to the first video on PHP programming tutorial for beginners. And in this video, I'm gonna give you a brief introduction to PHP. So, first question comes into mind is what is PHP and what is PHP stands for? PHP is a synonym of hypertext preprocessor. It is also an open source server-side scripting language. That means whenever you make a website, you need a server to host your website. And PHP is a server-side scripting language. That means it can interpret your pages and serve your page to the client on the basis of the request. And why we use PHP? Because PHP is a strong scripting language which can generate dynamic web pages, and it can even integrate with database. Most of the database like MySQL or SQL Server or any popular language. So that gives us the functionality to make our page dynamic. Important thing to know. What is the difference between static and dynamic pages? Static pages are just HTML pages with no functionality. You will be just able to see the text there, or you will be able to click to go to the next page. But if you want more dynamic features, for example, I will give an example. In email service, you want to enter your username and password, and on the basis of username and password you want to give some messages. For example, when your username and password is wrong, then you want to show the user that your username and password is wrong and please try again, or otherwise if username and password are correct, you want to redirect your page to the other authorized page. So this functionality, which is dynamic web page, is provided by PHP. Now, PHP script reside between reserved PHP tags. What that means? That enable PHP to embed PHP scripts within HTML pages. It has predefined tags. You know, whatever you write between those tags is a PHP code. So, furthermore, PHP is interpreted language. Scripts are parsed at runtime rather than compiled beforehand. Also, executed on the server side. Source code is not visible by client. It's an important thing to know. If you want to see the source code, because it's a server-side language, you will not be able to see the code of PHP from the client side. You cannot see the code of PHP in the client side. Various built-in function allow for fast development. PHP has various functions which are built to make your program fast. Also, as I said before, compatible with many databases like MySQL, SQL Server, and others. Now, another important thing that I want to mention in this short introduction to PHP is how PHP works. As we see in this picture, I already told you that PHP is a server side. So there will be a server where your website will be hosted. PHP is just like interpreter. So on the basis of the client request, PHP will interpret the values from database or mail service or file from the file system, and then give a response to the client. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up the environment for PHP. Bye for now and see you.